I'm making more as a first-year apprentice than either of my parents have made hourly at any job working for somebody else.
A pipe fitter is an industrial maintenance specialist, process piping in large powerhouses and chemical plants, along with nuclear facilities, commercial.
Anything from heavy rigging, welding, plumbing, by either supplying gas, taking your sewage away, or bringing water into your home. We're plumbers and steam fitters, so we do both. Plumbers usually deal with smaller piping. Industrial pipe fitters, they deal with much heavier wall, more critical high pressure steam, powerhouses, coal burners, a lot bigger. The running joke is if it's round and has a hole in the middle of it, we put it together.
To apply, you have to be 18 years old. You have to have a high school diploma or a GED. Once you're accepted, you have to pass a background check and a drug screen. Our testing, it's pretty basic mathematics, and another portion of it is like a personality test, just to see how you'd react in certain situations.
I started welding in high school. One of the journeymen from out here had come out to that high school and taught us how to TIG weld. He told us a little bit about his local, and that was the beginning of my interest in the pipe fitting trade.
We do have a website. Just log on to wvtrades.org.
As of right now, you could be working before we even get you sworn in the hall. Get in now while it's hot. The work is really insane right now. It's across the nation. There's about to be a shortage. We're running into a big retirement boom. So there will be plenty of open jobs and availability if you're willing and able to put in the effort to be a good craftsman.
After I got into the pipe fitters and plumbers and I started working, I was able to move out of my parents' house. My wife and I both have brand new cars, and I have my own place, so you can't beat that.
It also includes the pension. I have a retirement, I have insurance, and that's all included in the union package. It's not something that I have to go out of my way to find on my own.
You don't have to work all the time. You work your butt off for 10 months and you want a little bit of vacation, you can take it.
The best work and the best benefits. Do you want to retire at 55? Retirement is one of the biggest things. We don't have to pay for health insurance. We negotiate our own wages. We get better pay with better benefits, and it doesn't cost us a dime.
This training program has gotten me farther in life than when I went to college, when I went to high school.
Later on through the apprenticeship, we get a rigging certification, so it teaches you how to properly hook onto pipe, use a crane, put it in position. Most people become welders, and welders are the most sought after in the trade.
An apprentice usually gets partnered up with a journeyman. You learn a lot from them. They encourage you to ask questions. They like to get you involved, like hands-on, so that you can learn and do it properly while you have guidance there as well.
Beyond the job skills, I can just come to the hall and I ask the training coordinator, and there's even extra classes besides what's scheduled on the curriculum for skills that are currently needed in the industry. I've had several mentors. There was one journeyman and I just ended up on 5 jobs with him, and he was always there. And I'm working with his son right now and we're the same age. And I've looked up to him and he really put me on the straight and narrow.
Everybody has been wonderful. If you don't know, ask and you're not gonna get flack for it. Everybody here's happy to teach and pass on skills and knowledge and learning experience.
I think it's the being a part of something bigger than yourself and having the entire UA at your back. But you have not just them, but you have this entire local at your back supporting you. If you fall down, you need help. You've got brothers and sisters here to help you out. And I think that's what keeps people going and keeps people here, is the brotherhood.
What I enjoy most about pipe fitting is that at the end of the day, there's a real tangible thing that I have made that wasn't by any degree easy to do.
We're all local workers. All the money that we make here, that stays here. Supporting infrastructure that's gonna supply jobs for people that live here. I mean, this is our home. We wanna make it the best we can.
It's awesome. Like, if our name's gonna be attached to a job, we want to be proud of the work that we did. We wanna do it right, we wanna do it well.
There's no glass ceiling to building trades and pipe fitting. You don't just stop at being a journeyman when you top out. The career is whatever you want to make of it.
I think that anybody that's willing to work and willing to learn could do it.
Get in now while it's hot. The possibilities are endless right now. This is the best I've seen it in my 11 years.
You don't have to go to college to make good money. We have several members that make $200,000 plus a year. If you like working with your hands, you don't mind getting dirty, you can make a darn fine living doing what we do.
If you want to join the construction trades,
Log on to wvtrades.org.